We have a warning for you tonight about an avian or bird flu outbreak. It's now spreading to humans. 10 News reporter Lindsay Kennett spoke with health experts today about the risk here in Virginia and how to protect your family.
A bird flu outbreak spreading to cattle herds in the U.S., now infecting 2 people, causing concerns of a potential pandemic.
The reason we're concerned about this is that we know that there are potential for new strains of influenza to enter the human population from time to time and to cause pandemics like what happened in 1918 and 2009.
Dr. Patrick Jackson at UVA says bird flu spreads through respiratory droplets or animal droppings.
They can acquire mutations that allow it to spread more easily from one population to another.
Dr. Jackson warns avian flu could be spread through the food we eat, like beef, chicken, milk, even eggs, if they come from an infected animal. But he says the risk is low.
Poultry producers are very alert to the potential for this virus getting into their flocks. So they're being very aggressive about monitoring their birds. If birds are sick, they're getting rid of them and often getting rid of the entire flock to limit potential spread.
Dr. John Tracy is the wildlife veterinarian for the Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources. He says they're tracking outbreaks along Virginia's eastern coast and need the public's help.
If they come across dead birds on the landscape, to let us know so that we can determine if, new areas or new species become involved in this outbreak.
For most people, your risk of catching avian flu is low. But certain populations are at a higher risk, including farmers, hunters, and families with backyard chicken flocks.
You want to make sure that you're using appropriate personal protective equipment. I would use gloves. I would use an N95 mask. I would use goggles. I would make sure that I'm not kind of tracking things on my shoes or clothes.
Dr. Tracy says pet owners also need to be careful of what their cats and dogs might get into.
Keep dogs and pets away from dead birds that might be on the landscape.
Lindsay Kennett, 10 News, working for you.